Hi, this is Kevin Hunter with Simplified Office Systems, SOS. Just wanted to do a quick video to share with everyone what we're doing as we start getting back to business and people start opening. Just some of the precautions we're taking to follow the CDC guidelines for our business. We've got a couple of different areas I want to hit on, but really the first one is about just informing people and something we've done around the office. I actually found this great poster uh, that gives you the signs and some tips on how to prevent the spread of the CDC, or the CDC put out on how to prevent the spread. Uh, these are some of them. I just printed off a couple of them and put around the office here, and they're very helpful. Found them just by Googling CDC COVID-19 posters. Worked out really well. But what we're doing every day, we're coming in and using the good old cleaner that's bacteria and virus uh, killer, doing it on all the common area surfaces with doorknobs, light switches, alarm pads. We've got one computer where multiple people touch it for shipping. Clean that off, as well as after each person touches it, we clean that off again as well. But again, limiting how many times we are exposed by keeping those common surfaces cleaned. Also, cleaning the doorknobs, handles in the bathroom, sinks, fridge handles, toaster oven handles, coffee pot, things along that line. Just trying to do all we can. In our office, we usually have no more than 4 people. We've pretty much asked all of our techs and our salespeople to work from home, to work remotely. That works out good for them. Allows them to continue to stay productive and serve, but also limiting the exposure of them and ourselves and our internal office people to any exposure there. The other thing we've done is from our service team, and what I'm reading from is actually a guideline that I published and given to all of our people, and we can make available to any of our customers. Plan is to put it on our website and everything as well. But beyond the office cleaning, we're also asking all of our service techs before and after they do any work, we wipe down the machines with alcohol. The before is really to minimize their exposure, and then afterwards is just to minimize your exposure as a customer. So really trying to be, both proactive and reactive while we're there on site. All of our techs do have the PPE equipment. They do have the rubber gloves. They do have the face shields that they can all wear when they go in. If you're like me, I always struggle which way's up on this thing. Uh, but they do have a way to protect themselves as well as you while they're on site. And then we move over to our delivery team. Anytime our delivery team is on site, they also have the gloves, they have the face mask as well. They also are equipped to wipe down the equipment once it is set up on site. We also limit our time while we're there, so we just don't, lollygag or chit chat or anything along that line. My guys are instructed to pretty much get in, get out. Um, and that has worked well through the last month, and we continue to get everything back open. We'll continue along that same line. And then our last area I wanted to talk about was our product training, which is a vital part. Anytime you get a new piece of equipment, is you got to understand how to use it. So when we do deliver the equipment, we will train up to 2 people. That way we're not a group of 3 or more. That does limit everybody's exposure, as well as stays in compliance with the guidelines from the CDC as well as the state. And the idea behind that is not that we're trying to limit how many people can learn. We just only do 2 at a time. So if we need to do a couple of groups, we'll be glad to do that. But beyond that, SOS is fully equipped to provide remote learning. So we can go in and do a webinar, or we can do a Zoom chat, a video chat, to share with you some tips and tricks on your machines. We keep the majority of the technologies here in-house to use both for demonstration purposes as well as training purposes. So we're able to show you real live time what's going on with the machine. If we have any support or setup issues that we need to address, we do have remote access, so we can log into your computer, your network, and be able to do the work from there. Uh, but then the last thing we've done is we've actually put together some videos, and we can do as many or as few as we need. Some come from our manufacturer, some come from us, to where it shows you how to use the equipment. And what we've done is offer to folks that if there is a special application, or you're really struggling with something, whether it's a new machine, old machine, whatever it may be, just let us know, and we'll shoot you a quick video. put it up either on our YouTube channel or we'll send it directly to you via link. That way you can maximize your uptime with the equipment. But again, SOS is doing all we can to stay in compliance with the guidelines as well as protecting our people and our customers. We look forward to continue to serve you and thank you for the opportunity. Have a great day.